How to fix Snapchat account has been locked for violating community guidelines. To fix this issue, first of all, open any browser you have in your device. For now, I'm opening Safari. And then on the searching bar, search for Snapchat account locked. Then you will see help.snapchat.com website. Go through it. Once you are here, search for the contact Snapchat support. Once you see that, open it. There you will see a form. You have to fill out that form. Here you need to add your username, email, mobile number, and on the description you have to briefly describe that your account has been locked and you want to unlock it. And then hit on the submit button. Snapchat team will help you out to solve it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.